Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to find a laptop model name in Windows 11 using Registry Editor. On Windows 11 Registry Editor, you can find your laptop model in two places. I will show you both these places. So first click on this one Start button and then type Registry. In the search results, click on this one Registry Editor entry. In case Windows prompts, click on Yes button. Then all you need to copy and paste this one details, this one path and press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to the system information key in the left sidebar of Registry Editor. On the right sidebar, you will find several information about your laptop, including system product name. Beside the system product name, you can see your laptop model number, and the other one path is this one BIOS key. You need to select BIOS key for that. Copy and paste this one path and press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to the BIOS key in the register. On the right side, you will find several information about your laptop, including system product name. Besides system product name, you can find your laptop model number like this. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.